The ancient period was a time of training. The modern period is a time of application. This raises a natural question. What is this training now being applied to, and what is the result it is meant to achieve? As humanity moves through the 7 stages of history, people do not only hold beliefs about reality, they begin to experience its deeper patterns in everyday life. What was once understood through teaching and revelation becomes visible through social, intellectual, and technological change. Iqbal explains that there are 5 essential components in the Islamic understanding of God. 1. Eternity, God is everlasting. 2. Power, God has power over everything. 3. Omniscience, God knows everything. 4. Creativeness, God creates. 5. Infinitude, God's being is without limit. In one form or another, these ideas are recognized across many traditions. These attributes can be understood in 2 ways. From a theological point of view, they describe the nature of God. From a rational point of view, they describe different layers of reality that human beings gradually come to experience. The first 2 stages of the modern period, 619 to 750 AD, serve as internal preparation. The 5 stages that follow correspond to the 5 attributes of God mentioned earlier. In each stage, human beings shape their world in ways that allow one of these attributes to be understood through lived experience. Epoch 3. Eternity. During this period, human beings created systems that could last beyond individual lives. Laws, languages, and centers of learning were established and preserved across generations. This gave rise to a sense of continuity, reflecting the idea of something that endures beyond time. Epoch 4. Power. Large empires developed the ability to control vast territories and populations. Advances in organization, travel, and administration made it possible to exercise authority over long distances. Power became something visible and effective in everyday governance. Epoch 5. Omniscience. In the modern world, systems of communication and information have expanded rapidly. Through global networks, data systems, and artificial intelligence, human beings now have access to knowledge on an unprecedented scale. Even ordinary individuals can experience a limited form of what it means to know across distances. We are currently in this stage. While the exact timing of the next stages cannot be fixed, the pattern of history allows us to form some expectations. Epoch 6. Creativeness. Human beings may move from observing and organizing reality to actively reshaping it. This could include direct control over matter, life, and environment, allowing people to create new forms of existence. Epoch 7. Infinitude. In the final stage, the limits that currently define human experience may begin to dissolve. The distinction between matter and meaning, or between the physical and the spiritual, may become less rigid. Human beings may encounter levels of reality that are difficult to imagine today. We have now seen that history follows a pattern and moves with direction. This means it is not beyond understanding, and its movement is not beyond our reach. The question then is how this knowledge can be used. How do human beings recognize the direction of history in their own time, and how do they respond to it? In the Wheel of Knowledge, this is the role of art and literature, which we will discuss in our next video. If you like this content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel.